Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to use VisualBoyAdvance emulator. We're going to be using specifically for Pokemon Fire Red. So first you're going to want to download the emulator. Now, sadly, I can't link any of this, but you want to, if anything, Emulator Zone is the best, and just find Visual Boy. And then see VisualBoyAdvance is the best Game Boy Advance emulator. And then you're actually going to see this little thing pop up here. So we're going to go to our desktop. And so what we're going to do is we're going to open up this, and then we're going to make a folder. Now, I've already done all this, but I'm going to do it again for demonstration. So we're going to create a folder called VisualBoyAdvance, and then we're going to drag this file into that folder. Okay, now this is an ultimate. I find this more of a guide to having a neat VisualBoyAdvance and how to use it. So, and then I feel like you should probably make a folder called ROMs for all your ROMs to go in. And if you really want to make sure your .sav file, because if you don't know, when you play a game, a .sav file will appear. And so if you really want, you might want to create a folder for each game. Now I don't really do this, because then you have, whenever you want to select your ROM, you got to find your folder and all that. So I don't really recommend this, but if you really want the .sav files to not be everywhere, just do that. Second, you're going to want to find your ROM. So I'm using Fire Red, but you can literally use any ROM in existence. So I'm going to get the ROM from Emulator Games, save game, quickly. Now I'm just going to click off for a sec to go to my website, actually. So I also, as you know, I have a website. So let's go to Google Sites. I don't know what's been going on. That's been, oh, okay. So our Fire Red's downloading, but I'll still quickly show it off. So let's find my website, Internet Guide. So I will be putting. I might put some of the more complicated tutorials. I will not be putting on this website, but some of them I will. Now this is not supposed to be here. I'm sure I deleted that. Oh my god, I deleted the Google guide and kept it. You know what? I'm not. Nope, we're gonna ignore that mistake. So then we're gonna get the ROM, and we're gonna put it in your ROM folder, or your ROMs folder, or the ROM is gonna be in the folder inside of the ROMs folder. And then, this is the simple part. We go to VisualBoyAdvance, and we press open, and we find our ROM. Sometimes it might be stupid, but now this might be because I have a ton of this, but let's just go to my other, that's my tutorial one, or is that my... Yes, this is my tutorial one. I can tell because there's a ROM. There's like a folder inside of it. Let's go to VisualBoyAdvance. Open up your game. See? Yeah. Now, there may be an issue where it says the 1M circuit board is not installed. So if that actually does come up, go to Options, go to Emulator, and go to Emulator, and then go Save Type, and then go Flash 128K. Because sometimes it will say like the circuit board is not installed. Now I'm actually using a Joy-Con. Yeah, you see if this pops up, just go to Emulator, Save Type, Flash 128K, and then reset the game, or reset the emulator. You might only have to reset the game. See? Fixed. And there are a ton of settings. If you want me to go over the settings one day, I will, but except for that, see you guys next time on the next guide to the internet. See ya.